Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about smart TVs and ways to get your favorite application to your smart TV. In this particular video, I will be showing you how to download DMSS HD application to your smart TV. Now, this works for any smart TV, so you can still watch it depending on the smart TV you're using. In my case here, I'm using a Samsung Smart TV, but it's going to work for your own smart TV. So that's it, let's go ahead. If you want to download or install the DMSS HD application, here's exactly what you should do. Now, in first case, you might not see this application on your App Store or Amazon Store. So the easiest thing to do is to come over to Downloader. So Downloader is an application that I use a lot to get applications on my smart TV, and here's it. Downloader is like a browser and intermediary. All you have to do is to launch it, and in the search box you are going to type in the application you are searching for. So in this case, we're just going to type in DMSS HD app. That's the application we're searching for. And once you type in the right keyword, please always make sure to type in the right keyword. Now, if you don't download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. Right, there is a link there that is going to help you to get downloaded to your smart TV. After getting downloaded, you just have to go ahead and launch it. And here's how the interface looks like. It's very easy to use. So after typing the keyword, go ahead and click on Go or Done. Now, download is going to show you sources on the internet where you can download this particular application from. So you are just going to go ahead and try the various sources. For instance, here's the first one. You can go ahead and try this one by just clicking on it. Now, I'm not going to guarantee you that it's going to work in every smart TV, but if this doesn't work, if this option doesn't work, all you have to do is to go back, is to come back here. You come back over here and you scroll to the bottom to see other options. Like for instance, here is another option. Here is an option, apps on Google Play, but I think this is an option that's going to work. DMSS download from Android Aptoid. This is definitely going to work. But if it doesn't work, you can just keep on looking for other sources to try. So let's see this. If you click on this, it's going to bring you here, and yes, this is absolutely going to work. Just click on download and the application is going to download straight away to your smart TV. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to this YouTube channel.